guys? Drop a like, turn on notifications, and sub to the channel. Alright, let's get started with this video. Alright, first things first, we have a tournament right now that's about to start in like 2 hours. It's called Taco. So if you're watching this right now, it's called Taco. And there's no password on it, so you can join free. And, well, just randomly saw it because one of my friends was like, bro, you gotta join this. I'm like, alright then, I got you. I'll show you guys, wait. Jeez, okay. Thanks. Night witch in my shop level and not even. Wow. Wow. Oh gosh, it's laggy. Wow, really? A little lone wolf song, guys. Look. Yeah. Thanks to Mr. Savage Board right here. Supposedly a savage, but I doubt he's a savage. There's Lone Wolf. Alright. Yeah, but so far there's only 17 people, so I should get this video out now. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys. I found Maverick the Parrot. Play Clash Royale. Jeez, and 2v2. What do you say? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna say hi to you too. Alright, guys. Say hi to you too. Yeah. Alright, now let's get into this battle. Replay battle, whatever you want to call it. Alright. Okay, Maverick the Parrot. Logan's Paul Bird. It's a sudden death challenge thing. Alright, Hog Rider. I think that was my Wizard. Yeah, they were. Yeah. Oh, jeez, so many bats. But they died out. Look at the Electro Wizards doing work to the Inferno Tower. Fireball's the Witch and double Electro Wizard. But it's surprisingly not enough to take the tower. Until we log it. And we win. That was my battle with Maverick the Parrot, guys. Mr. Maverick, for any of you Logan Gangsters.